People of the jungle who meet, struggle and strive, sacrifice, and the shared destiny of this vision we see. One earth, one world, a global community. Entering the battlefield and fighting for peace. Vasudeva Kutumbakam world is a family.